Humarap sa Prosecutor's Office ng Laguna ang 8 miyembro ng girl group na Bini nitong Lunes, August 18, 2025, para formal na idemanda ng reklamong unjust vexation at computer-related offense ang hindi pinangalanang content creator. Ito'y may kinalaman sa 25-minute vlog ng girl group na sila'y kumain at nag-rate ng iba-ibang Filipino delicacies and desserts. Mapapanood ang naturang video sa isang US-based YouTube channel na umani ng samut-saring reaksyon mula sa netizens. Ayon sa legal counsel ng Bini na si Attorney Josabeth Alonso ng Alonso and Associates Law Firm, inireklamo ni Gwen, Colette, Maloy, Stacy, Aya, Jonah, Sheena, at Mikha ang spliced video na inupload ng isang content creator patungkol sa grupo. Sinabi rin ni Attorney Alonso na pinutakti ng matinding batikos ang grupo dahil sa malisyosong pag-splice ng naturang video.
This case emanated from a spliced video of the girls who were testing, rating, and tasting Filipino street food. The original video in this case was running about 25 minutes, and the reduced video was running for about only 2 minutes and contained nothing but negative reactions, negative comments on the food that they tasted. So this completely changed the narrative of the show because what was left was all negativity. And this resulted in online bashing and even escalated to threats, insults, personal attacks, and name-calling of the different girls. And naturally, they suffered extremely from mental and emotional anguish and distress because of what happened.
Ang isinampang reklamo ng girl group laban sa hindi tinukoy na content creator ay paglabag sa Sections 4B and 6 ng Republic Act 10175 sa ilalim ng Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012 at unjust vexation o paglabag sa Article 287 ng Revised Penal Code. Nilinaw naman ni Attorney Alonso na hindi sila nagsampa ng reklamong libel laban sa hindi pinangalanang content creator. Ipinaalala ni Attorney Alonso sa publiko na ang paglalahad ng impormasyon sa social media ay may kaakibat na responsibilidad.
We need to remind everyone that the freedom to post online must always carry with it truth, responsibility, and accountability. The freedom of free speech, the right to free speech ends when there is already harmful and negative things that are committed, maligning people, destroying the reputation of people. That is not allowed under the law.
Sa isang panayam, sinabi ni Attorney Alonso na kaya sila nagsampa ng reklamo sa Prosecutor's Office ng Laguna ay dahil doon umano ginawa ang krimen at doon din daw inupload ang naturang spliced video. Tinanong din ang legal counsel ng grupo kung ano ang susunod nilang hakbang matapos isampa ang reklamo laban sa hindi pinangalanang content creator.
Well, we will be waiting for the City Prosecutor's Office to rule on the case, and if they find that there is indeed sufficient evidence to prove or justify the filing of a case before the court, then the case will proceed to court. And the penalty here is not that small. It's prison mayor, which is imprisonment of 6 years and 1 day to 12 years. And on top of that, MJ, I would just like to add that we also are asking for damages in the amount of 1 million for each girl.
Okay.
Nang tanungin kung first and last na ba ang pagsampa nila ng reklamo o may idadagdag pa sa listahan ng mga idedemanda, sinabi ni Attorney Alonso na it remains to be seen dahil hindi pa raw nakakapag-decide ang management tungkol doon. Nasa pangangalaga ng talent management arm ng ABS-CBN na Star Magic ang mga miyembro ng Bini. Sinabi naman ni Attorney Alonso sa kanyang post sa Instagram na nanindigan ang grupo laban sa digital na anyo ng pang-aabuso. Anya, Bini is taking a strong stance against this digital form of abuse which is prevalent. Literally anyone may fall victim. In filing this case, Bini stands as a voice in fighting for all those who remain unheard.